I know that TikTok is where it's at. I mean, where else can you go from 0 to 1,000 in 5 days? It's fun, it's exciting. Most importantly, you have so much exposure. When it comes to building a sustainable audience and business, something that may not be super fun and sexy, which is email marketing. Let me explain why email marketing is essential to your branding, business, and long-term sustainability. Whether you have a coaching business, network marketing business, or building your personal brand, you need email marketing. Do you remember the MySpace days when it was like the thing to do? What about Vine, when people were going viral? Have you seen all the changes that Instagram has made? Some people are continuing to grow, but others not so lucky, and continues to lessen and lessen reach. Clubhouse. Let me tell you a stat. They peaked during the pandemic, right? In 2022, their downloads dropped 80% from 2020 to 2022. So you have to understand that you may be popping off on a platform, and obviously right now at the time of this recording, TikTok is happening for a lot of people. But you can lose hard days of work, even years of work, by not taking your audience out of the platform, which is email marketing. You are not gonna go to sleep with the fear of, oh my god, what if I get hacked? What if tomorrow this doesn't exist? Another reason why you should really focus on email marketing is because it's sustainable. According to a study done by ConvertKit with creators, 61% of creators are burnt out. And I can attest to this. Last year I burned out pretty hard, but the causes of burnout come from trying to post all the time and being everywhere. Obviously that's not the only reason, but as far as content creators, that's the main thing. Like, we want to be all the places, all the times, all the platforms. Email helps you build your audience in a sustainable way. You have things like segmenting and automations and triggers. And if you don't know what that means, when people come into your email list, automatically send them pre-written emails that are coming from you. They're just being scheduled and triggered depending on what actions they take. Email marketing is also predictable and it's scalable. Again, if you're still with me here, you understand the importance of trying to make money and how social media is not reliable. So I just want to give you a quick shout out and a high five because I know that this may not be something, it's one of the things that a lot of people ignore, but it's predictable and scalable because yes, social media is amazing and it works for discoverability. On TikTok, you can go viral even if you have 0 followers. People can find your video and you can go viral. I actually have a video on how the TikTok algorithm works, but you're using social media as the vehicle to bring in people into your email list. That is the key. A lot of creators are converting their email list when it comes to their launch if they are already emailing them and nurturing them and talking to them weekly. And then when the time comes, let's say they've been talking to them for a few weeks now and they're like, hey, actually, I have a way that you can work with me. They're gonna be ready, more ready than their followers because they have that intimate connection. You have to understand that email is where the relationships are built. You may feel like email is dead. It 100% isn't. I understand that this may be totally foreign to you and you may feel like, how the heck do I even start? Where do I where, how, when, like, I got you. I personally use something called ConvertKit. It's also simple to use. They do have a free version. Usually the paid version has a little bit more tools and analytics and things like that. But I'm going to show you how to create your very first landing page, how to set up your automatic emails. All you need is an account with ConvertKit. We're going to set up the landing page. I actually have email prompts that I recently created for my clients that work with me. I put it in a Notion template, so I'll have the link in the description for you, but let's get into setting up your very first landing page. I will see you in the next video.